Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I'm just gonna be showing you how to make a Pewdepie Brofist out of Legos, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing for this video. So yeah, let's just get started right now. I finished taking it all apart just so I can show you guys how to build it. So what you want to start with is, so over here, you want to start by putting a 1x3 light gray plate or white, whichever one you guys want. So just place it right there, and then under that you want a 1x8 light gray plate or white, just like I said before. So you have the left side. Then under that you place a 1x6 light gray plate. So I'm basically just making the outline right now. And then another 1x6 light gray plate right above that, actually right there. So just like that, and that's basically the start of it. And then you want to grab yourself a 4x8 black plate, put it right down here, just like this, there. And then you grab a 4x6 plate and put it right above it, right there. And then a 1x4 plate right above the 1x6 plate. And then you put a 1x6 plate right next to there. And then another 1x4 plate right under that section. Or you could just use, for this 2x10 section, you could just use a 2x10 black plate. So that basically starts some of it. And then so what you want to do after that is place a 1x8 black plate right there. This is just a really simple thing to build. Didn't make it too complicated because I wanted to show you guys how to build it. It's because it looks cool. And then a 2x8 light gray plate right next to the 1x8 light gray plate. Oh, that popped out. So I just want to put that back in just like that. So you should be starting to see it right now. But after that, what you want to do is place a 2x3 black plate right over here. So just like this, right there. Then under it, a 1x3 black plate, just like that. And then in any order, you can either place the 1x2 black plate there first, or the 2x2, because it's gonna make another 2x3 anyway. Just couldn't find a 2x3, so yeah, that's just what I was using. You can use a 2x3 plate right there, but after you put in that piece, you want a 1x1 black plate, so we can put it right in the corner that we've made, just right there. So that's just the start of the inside. Well, that is the finish of the inside. Then you want to grab yourself this L-shaped plate, just like this, either white or light gray, as I said, and place it just to surround that 1x1 black plate. Then place light gray plates right next to it, one right there, and then one right under it, right there. Let me just zoom in a little bit on that, put it right there so you guys can see it really quick. And yeah, and then right here, as you can see in that gap, place another 1x2 light gray plate. This involves a lot of light gray plates, just because that's what it involves. And then a 1x4, you grab it and put it right up there next to the 1x6. And then another 1x6 right here. Yeah, just right there. So that's just going to be the outline. And then your last piece, a 2x1 light gray plate. Put it right there. So that finished the outline of it. So that's the majority of it. I just put it on this green 16x16 plate just to give it a background. But you can do it on whatever you want. So you want to grab a, actually no, not that. You're going to grab a 1x3 plate, blue tile. And then as you can see, so you place it two studs from the edge and one from the top. So you place it just like this. Then you grab another one and place that right next to it. This can also be a 1x6 blue tile if you wanted, but I couldn't find it, so I just used this. And then you want to grab a 2x4 blue tile and put it right there. And then right next to that, a 1x2 blue tile, just like that. And then another 2x4 blue tile. Let me just place that there. So you can see that's starting to make the fist of it. And then another 1x2 right there. Let me zoom in on that a little bit so you guys can see it again, just in case you can't really catch up, because I know I might be going a little bit fast. And then you place another 2x4 blue plate right there, and so you can see that made a majority of it. And then so what you want to do after that is grab yourself a 1x2 blue tile, just like this, and place it just right there to make that part. And then another 2x4 blue tile, just to put right there. And as you can see, that's made it. That's pretty much it. I made it really simple just so you guys could follow along. But yeah, that was it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.